Why does the moon change shape? Well, the moon is always round, but it looks as though it changes shape as different parts are lit by the sun. The different shapes have a name. This is a half moon, and this is a crescent. On the moon. Around 40 years ago, astronauts flew a spacecraft to the moon. They climbed out onto the dusty surface. The spacecraft is called a lunar module. Lunar means moon in Latin. To go home, the astronauts climbed back into the top of their spacecraft and blasted off back into space. They put flags up to show that they had visited. A moon buggy to drive around in. Astronauts used the buggy to explore the moon. They saw deep, dark craters. The astronauts collected moon rocks to study. They took photos and made films of everything that they saw. Then people on Earth could see what the moon's surface looked like too. The astronauts wore thick spacesuits to go outside on the moon. They had tough gloves, strong boots. The helmet had a radio inside to talk to each other, and a backpack that carried air to breathe, because there's no air on the moon. There were dry, dusty mountains on the moon as well. There's less gravity, which makes things fall downward on the moon than there is on Earth, so astronauts can jump really high off the ground. There's no wind or rain at all. In fact, there's no weather. So the astronauts' footprints will stay here for millions of years.